So, you guys should feel very blessed and lucky right now because the line is long as but because I wanted to be able to, someone's behind me, vlog my experience in me ordering my drinks. I'm sure you're all very curious how I do that. I'm gonna be waiting in this long ass line. And it is just wrapped around the building, people. I need to get my eyebrows done. They're not bad. I just feel like they're gonna like bush. So little update. Currently I'm a little sad, but it's okay. I wanted to get a nitro cold brew, which is so good. Like so good. But my Starbucks doesn't have it, and the only way they can get it is like their next full renovation, which they just did one, so it won't be for years. So like I guess I'll just suffer. And I got a salted foam cold brew. I guess I'll just